Welcome to all of you from the Fiddler in the Kitchen. I am Yeşim. In this channel, I will be sharing my cooking, high-end home and garden decor, tablescaping, my violin playing, and days in the life vlogs. I love my cozy home that smells beautiful food and pastries all the time. Sharing these with you is my favorite hobby.
Hello everyone. I remember doing something like this last year. I was actually sitting in the same spot. I was getting ready to go out with my children to an Italian restaurant. And because today is Thursday, it's my birthday, by the way. I am turning 51 today. Because it was a work day, we wanted to go somewhere to celebrate it with my children tomorrow night. So there's a very nice Cuban restaurant. I'd like to go there with my children. And it's funny, I think I'm kind of used to 50s now. I'm in 51, so whole year passed. It was really weird going from 49 to 50, but now I'm saying I'm 51 today. 51 years young. I think I came to that age that I need to say 51 years young, not old anymore. So every year passes, every year I have my health and my children around me. We are all happy and healthy. That's what matters. Life is busy, as always, for everybody. And just I guess finding things that makes you happy, that makes your heart smile is what's important, because the speed of days and weeks and months, years, it goes so quickly. I guess as you spend one more year, I don't know, I feel like I'm putting more things into my days, and days feel like weeks. There's never enough of it, but I'm so grateful to be here and experiencing this age, 51 years young. So that's my message for today, and my mocha and latte here with me as always. Geçen sene bugün, yani 10 Kasım'da yine bir doğum günü mesajı vermiştim. O zaman 50 yaşına girmenin duygularını ifade etmiştim. Yani beşle başlayan yaşlara alıştım diyebiliriz. Ama yani işin şakası bu tabii ki benim için. Özellikle annemi kaybettiğim yıldan itibaren 43 yaşında onu kaybetmiştik. O zamandan beri aldığım her yaş gerçekten benim hayatta olduğuma, kendi kendime şükran duymama, çocuklarımla birlikte olmam, her geçirdiğim yıl gerçekten bu şekilde gratitude duygusu duymama neden oluyor. Bir yıl daha geçti. Şimdi de 51 yaşına girdim. Sadece böyle sağlıkla, mutlulukla, daha sevdiklerimle nice yıllar yaşamak dileğiyle buradan kendime iyi ki doğdum diyorum.
Mocha, are you waiting for Mom? Let's go and get Dilara and Koray. Let's go down. Good boy. Come down. Good boy, good girl. Let's go.
Rumba, rumba, rumba.
veggie margarita. Sweet. We are here at Coco Cubano restaurant and look at my steak. Yummy, yummy. My birthday dinner. Freezing.
It's time for bed. It's night time.